Hey, it's Shane here, and I am so excited to share something amazing with you today that changed my life. Have you ever dreamed of working from home, in your PJs, with a cup of coffee in hand? Well, dream no more, because I found the best online work from home community ever. I got burned countless times by gurus in the past, promising me the world, and never delivered, but this one did. First step, go to mbsdrlife.com. Look at the reviews and browse around and check out the community. This program has completely changed the game for me. Not only is it super easy to get started, but it also offers incredible support, resources, and step-by-step instructions. Plus, every week, there is a live stream party with current trending information so it never gets old. If you are looking to ditch the 9-to-5 grind like I did, this is the way to go. I have no ownership in this company. There is a gigantic discount going on right now for limited spots. I paid $3,000 2 years ago, which was scary but turned out to be the best investment ever for me. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity because it's only $99 now for a short period of time. I am so jealous of anyone who gets in on this price. Go to the site above and change your life right now, or keep on wasting your life on a boring trajectory. No experience is needed, and this program actually works and is fun to do. Thanks for watching.